how to be employed in the workplace. These types of employment are termed as employment which will endanger and hinder the physical, social, and moral development of children. Some examples of these developments are prostitution, employment in the handling of dangerous chemicals, and employment which forces children to do things without their consent. That is not allowed. With the assistance of the EU and the ILO TACKLE project, we have recorded from 2011 to 2014 a total of 173 cases of child labor. That could be the actual number, there could be more out there. These are the ones that have been recorded. For 2011, we had 64 cases. 64 cases for 2012, 41 cases for 2013, and only 4 cases in 2014. 41 cases for 2013 and 4 cases in 2014. All 173 cases have been resolved by the Child Labor Unit of the Ministry. The Ministry has also withdrawn children from child labor. That means they go, they find children working, the Ministry actually takes them out of that situation so that they go, take them back to school, they are referred back to school with the assistance from the Ministry of Social Welfare and the Ministry of Education.